Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Hi, I'm Laddie, and today I'm happy to share a recipe that's bursting with bold flavors and packed with nutrition. Not only is this dish delicious, but it also features cauliflower and potatoes, two vegetables that are packed with nutrients. Together, they create a wholesome and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Follow our detailed step-by-step recipe with important tips that will make this dish truly outstanding. So let's get cooking now. Our recipe for today is healthy and delicious cauliflower and potato fry. Step 1. Preparing the cauliflower. Take a cauliflower weighing around 400 grams. Cut it into medium-sized florets. Put the florets in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough warm water to cover the cauliflower florets. This process is done to get rid of any unwanted insects or worms inside the cauliflower. Mix it well. Now keep the bowl aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 200 grams. Cut them into medium-sized cubes. Put them in a bowl. Soak the potatoes in water to avoid discoloration. Now keep them aside. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice them. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and cut them fine. Take 3 medium-sized green chilies, cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 8 medium-sized garlic cloves. Cut them very fine. Take half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it very fine. Take quarter cup of coriander leaves for garnishing. Cut it very fine. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the cauliflower and potato vegetable. Drain the water from the cauliflower florets and then rinse them thoroughly. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds. Once the seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces and stir. After a minute, add the ginger pieces and stir. After a minute, add the slit green chilies and stir. After some time, add the cut onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent or slightly light brown, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the red chili powder. Stir everything nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After some time, add the cut tomatoes. Stir everything properly. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Once the tomatoes are slightly soft, add the cut potatoes. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Now add the cauliflower. Stir everything properly. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Add around 3 tablespoons of water. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook for some time. Check frequently to prevent the vegetable from sticking to the pan. Add little water if required. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt and around 1 tablespoon of water. Mix everything properly. Potatoes take around 10 to 15 minutes to cook, while the cauliflower florets take around 10 minutes to cook. Cover and cook for some time. Cauliflower is a fantastic source of vitamin C and K, and it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Potatoes, on the other hand, are rich in potassium and fiber, making them great for heart health and digestion. Check if the potato is cooked. Once ready, add the finely cut coriander leaves for garnishing. Mix everything nicely. You can serve it hot with rice and curry, and also eat it with bread, chapati or roti. Delicious cauliflower potato vegetable is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.